Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this denim dress by using my jeans, which I turned into a skirt. Now I'm turning it into a dress. If you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Itshlengy and I do fashion videos, skincare and hair videos. So please subscribe to my channel and let's get to the video. Okay, so this is the skirts that I made by using my jeans. So now, because it's very long, I want to cut it short, and I'm going to use the the other piece. I'm going to turn it into a top first before I make a dress. But first, I need to take out the zip that's on my skirt, because now I'm turning it into a dress, so I won't be needing the zipper. So now I've just sewed my skirt. So now I'm going to work on my top, and I'm going to put the zipper on the top instead. So now I've just finished sewing it and I've put the zipper. I've just inserted the zipper, so I'm happy with that. Now I'm just adjusting my top because it's a bit loose. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, so this is how the dress actually looks like. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you the whole process because I'm having an issue with my camera. But if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.